Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Javier. Actually, I'm studying Power Query, Power Pivot, because that stuff are really useful when you try to use or when you want to use Power BI. So mainly that is why I'm here and I am talking about these stuffs, and that's it. Give me some seconds. I will share my screen in some minutes. Yeah, it's from here and this one. Uh, okay, that's it. Let's see. Okay, where we stay there. I think I were in Dara's. Yeah, okay. I think this is the Apollo project. So actually, I will add this to my model, not to the data too. Sorry for my disaster. I think there is no problem there. So here is it, and actually, this is. I will add to my model as a connection. Actually, I already finished this one, and then I will make this. I will annex these tables to have the all the budget process. This one and this one. I only want connection. I only want to create the connection. So after that, I will going to, yeah, connection is already created, and then trimester, and I need to, yeah, trimester, and then I want to date. So Q1, Actually, I have trimester here, date here. Oh my goodness, why this stuff is too late? Mm, that's it. And then I wanted to make this a connection. I want to create this only connection. Uh, I want to combine. So that's it. Okay, I already. So that's it. After this, I going to add the reality in my model. Then I need to add this to my model. Actually, I already made this and this. Another important thing to do is that this one. And here in reality, because here we okay, okay, too bad. I need to change this to date. Okay, that's it. Okay, because this is the real date. I don't know if we go to review our data from presupuesto. As you can see here, we have this data as date, but this is like a fake date because we create this just because we need to use dates, and this doesn't mean that the budget for servicios mixtos is only correspond to this date. We make this just to create a range of for the queue, but here in the realidad we have all the costs per day, so the real transaction day per day. Uh, that's that is why we should create a calendar based on the real dates. So there is something wrong here because in this case, what's happened if I want to, for example, when I try to create my model, for example, right now, I can't create this one as project because there are duplicated data. So I need a headed date information here, and I can't add or use date as the bridge of my category or the headed of my category because this data from presupuesto is not real information. Can you remember that we create it just to be able to have a range for all the queues that we have? So in that case, we should to create a unique data like this one. Ah, my goodness, I'm so tired. Again, I don't know what's happened. I think this could be from here. Yeah. Okay, let's see if there is any duplicated value here. Yeah, there is someone. Some yeah, there is a duplicated data. Mm, But why is different? Ah, okay. This is okay. Here is the mistake. Of course, of course. Soporte técnico is from labor. Oh my goodness. Okay, you need to make this a. Uh, this is the correct information. So in this case, oh my goodness. Too bad, Javier. What's happening with you, man? Sorry, sorry, sorry. This is my mistake. What happened to you, my brother? Sorry, I have some lags now. That's it. I feel better now. Maybe same stuff, but don't care about it. So this one could be Sukat. I need to add them to the model. And with this information, I will create my connection. As you can see now, this is realidad, this is Sukat. So actually, that's it. And this date, I going to match this with this one. But there is something that I want to solve here because I don't have trimester in my calendar. So actually, I am able to create trimester. So I will to add this one to my model. As you can see, actually, I already have my model. Here in calendar, I will put something like trimester, and I will use this function like related. That's it. Actually, I already have trimester. So after that, we're going to our model is finished. Actually, we're going to create our analysis. That's it. So actually, I'm going to create the models that we need to solve this stuff. So okay, first thing that we need to do now is this one, medidas generales. Um, I'm going to put this in the other screen because I think it's better. So actually, that's it. So first stuff that we need to do is to go to our model and to create many things that we need. But I will to order this, and so let's go to here and here in view, media general, media general. So this means like sum costos totales, sum cost. So actually, I come here. I think that here. Actually, I already have the total costs, but I think that our model is requesting us to have something like the previous month and the difference between categories. So in this case, we need to create some measures, additional measures to 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 make this more efficient and useful for us. Medidas mes pasado, ¿no? So actually, costos totales mes pasado. This means like um, calculate costos totales, date add, calendar, dates, minus one, and I talking about months. So that's it. There is something like differencia. Actually, okay, the most important thing now is to have this total of last month. So actually, I have here the total of this month and the last month, but we need to have access to the last month too. So I come here into realidad, and then I will make this. And can you remember that we create subcats that's allowed to us to have access to the other categories and to make, okay, in this case this it doesn't work for me. Maybe we can use something like department. So that's it. We have the difference here. So this makes sense. I think so. This one minus this one, and so that's it. That makes a lot of sense. Or that makes sense. And we need to create a data segmentation. So I'm going to use calendar, and we use mount. And I don't like that one. I like this one. So I prefer to use this one. And I move this one to here. So I put this here. Actually, I put this here. Then after this, I need to make something else. Okay, that's it. For example, here, actual previous month. So I need to go here. Um, I think it's here. For example, I put January. Mm, That's it. So, but we have difference here, and we need to identify which one or why we have that difference. So, first of all, we need to make this to connect this table to this slicer. So, I think that we will use labor, hardware, software, and service mixes and redes. I think so. Not pretty sure about it, but in my case, I will choose this one and hardware, software, and Redis. And then, yeah, I think these are the okay. Here, ah, too bad. So eventually, we can come here and we can make this. Um, which order? Hardware, labor, Redis, servicios mixtos, and software. So I think this is enough, and the others, of course, the others will be this plus this plus this and plus this one. So actually, as you can see, there is no difference here, and I can make something like this. Okay, let's see the difference between months on March and April, June, June, August, November, December, and January, of course, because there is nothing there. And that's it. But let's go to see how can we solve this for the Q. So first of all, we need to create something for the Q. Then we can create for yeah. That's it. That's really complicated. That's it. Let's see if it's work or not. Yeah. Ah, there you go. There you are. So I already finished with this one. Okay, maybe there is some. Oh, it still works. That's nice. No, I'm not. Yeah, it's not connected yet. So I going to make this connection to here. Then I will to connect this from here. Ready? So that's it. Nice. Actually, I finished the the coup. I need to finish the budget too, so I don't know how many time is it. Oh, happen. Okay, we have enough time to finish this activity. So after this, going to here, power pivot management. After this, I wanted to create something like budget measures, and of course, we need to have total budget. Sum month. After this, we need to create days, streams. So this could be count rows, and calendar. These the streams, all except calendar. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness, there is not something here. I don't know. I'm wanted to be sure. Oh my goodness, I remember that I already created the trimester or not yet. So I didn't create the trimester, right? So I need to create something call it as trimester here, and this will be related and trimester. But where I did that? Because I did that before. Okay, I'm not sure, but it's done. Yeah, too bad because I. Okay, my mistake. Okay, my mistake. So here, so calculate. After calculate, I need to use trims. After this, I need to use all except calendar, and then calendar trimester. That's it. So after this, I need to calculate the budget. Ah, yeah, yeah. I need to use this measure. Um, so that's it. That's it. So that's it. For example, June. Okay, what's happened with month to month, annual, year to date to year to date? Of course. So that's it. Nice. And there is something pending. Let me see. So actually, let's go and let's see. That's it. I'm really happy because finally in 1 hour I finished this exercise. So with this information, with this kind of information, you are able to identify where you spend or which category should be controlled by your company because as you can see here, exactly 1 hour. So this is really nice. January, February, March. Basically, here you are making comparison between the real of expense, how much you increase by Q, but you are comparing your budget. For example, you say, okay, we finish over 2,000. Why? Because these projects have increased, decreased like this. This is really, really nice, and I like it. I will try to use this format to my work. So, but thank you for staying here and to watch this video. With this, we finish all the case of study. Maybe I going to try to do one time more. And with this, I going to pass to the next exercise. So thank you. Bye.